How to start a drop shipping business, step by step for beginners. There's a moment where you realize the 9-to-5 path isn't leading where you thought it would. It's not freedom, it's not wealth, it's not even safety. What if you could flip the script? Build a business that earns while you sleep, without warehouses, without huge startup capital, just Wi-Fi, a laptop, and a mindset shift. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is a step-by-step playbook to starting your very own dropshipping business and turning a side hustle into a digital empire. Stick around, because in the last 90 seconds, I'll share the real truth most gurus won't tell you about dropshipping. And it's the one thing that separates winners from wannabes. But first, if you think dropshipping is just something you do with your pants when you get home, you're definitely gonna want to stick around. Let's dive in. 1. The why. Why does dropshipping matter now more than ever? Because the economy is shifting. Automation is replacing jobs. AI is rewriting industries. But e-commerce, it's exploding. You don't need inventory. You don't need a warehouse. All you need is a product, a store, and the right audience. Fear of failure holds most people back. But let me ask you this. What's scarier, starting something new, or living the next 10 years paycheck to paycheck, wishing you had? Dropshipping is the gateway drug to entrepreneurship. It teaches you marketing, branding, customer psychology, all with low risk. And once you see that first sale notification hit your phone, game over. You're never going back. Now that you know why, let's break down how. 2. The how. Step 1, pick your niche. Choosing a niche isn't just step 1, it's the step. Pick something too broad, you'll drown in competition. Too narrow, nobody's buying. You want the sweet spot. Passion plus demand plus profitability. Think, what are people obsessed with and are already spending money on? Fitness, pets, home decor, gadgets, beauty, huge markets. Would you rather sell beard oil to lumberjack hipsters or socks to everyone? Spoiler, it's the beard oil. Niche wins. In a sec, I'll show you how to find trending products before they go viral. But first, let's talk about your storefront. Step 2, build your store. You don't need to code. You don't need to hire a developer. Tools like Shopify or WooCommerce let you launch in hours. But here's what most beginners get wrong. They make their store about the product, not the person. Your site isn't just a store, it's a vibe. Your copy, your design, even your fonts must speak directly to your niche. If your store looks like it was made in 2008 by a sleep-deprived raccoon, you're not getting sales. Coming up, I'll reveal a psychological trigger that makes customers click buy without second guessing. But first, step 3, find winning products. You don't need to invent the next iPhone. You just need a scroll stopper. Use tools like TikTok Creative Center, AliExpress Dropshipping Center, Amazon Movers and Shakers to spy on what's trending. Look for products that are solving a real problem, visually appealing, priced for profit. But here's the kicker. Don't fall in love with the product. Fall in love with the data. Test fast, test cheap, and let numbers decide. Coming next, how to get your first customer without spending a dime on ads. Step 4, drive traffic. You can have the best product in the world, but if no one sees it, it's just digital dust. Here's where it gets exciting. You can get your first sales using organic TikTok content, Instagram Reels, UGC, user-generated content. This is where most people quit. They post 3 videos and disappear. But the algorithm favors consistency. Post 3 times a day for 30 days. One video pops, you're off to the races. And no, you don't have to show your face. Unless your dog is cuter, then by all means, let him be the brand. But what happens when the sales start coming in? That's where the real game begins. 3. The what now. You've built your store. You've made your first sales. But now comes the real fork in the road. Do you treat this like a hustle or a legacy? Most people stop here. But you're not most people. Reinvest your profits. Build a brand. Launch new products. Hire help. Dropshipping is the spark. But the fire? That's your vision. What if 5 years from now, your friends are still complaining about rent, and you're closing deals from your phone on a beach in Tulum? This isn't about making money online. It's about reclaiming your time, your choices, your life. If this gave you even one spark of belief, don't let it die. Smash that like button. Subscribe for more zero-fluff, high-impact guides. And drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're ready to start your journey. And as promised, here's the real truth. 90% of dropshippers fail because they give up when it gets boring. The winners? They embrace the boredom and scale through it. So which one will you be? Your move.